This week we have focused our overnight stay at one of the most affordable hotels in the Heywood area of the northwest, being that of the Birch Hotel, which is a 3-star hotel in the UK that's situated just off the M62 motorway that's 4.4 miles away from Manchester. Now at first glances on the booking website, the Birch Hotel is stated as having 3 acres of gardens. It offers free Wi-Fi, free on-site parking, a bar, a restaurant, room service, all the amenities like hairdryers, trouser pressers, tea and coffee, and even a free full English breakfast. It sounds yummy! So we went ahead and we managed to bag a double room for 2 people, staying for just 1 night for £63. Again, this is with a free continental breakfast included. On our arrival, I must admit, we did feel that the whole site looked rather promising, clean and tidy outside gardens, the car park initially looked empty, and it did also have a fantastic looking reception and even bar area, real cosy looking. Check-in? Well, it only took a few minutes, but as we unlocked that pretty dinged up looking door, that is the door to room 1, we were greeted by a substantially stained and quite dated looking carpet throughout. The very first thing that we did notice, if we just quickly take you back to the room description just here on the website, well, the room is supposed to look a little like this. Not bad, right? Looks kind of cozy. Well, with this particular room, being room 1, seems like someone has nicked the furniture from a hostel or something like that. We get some yucky looking dark green cupboards and surfaces. Yeah, looks like there's a bit of dust on them too. With a desk chair situated to the end of the bed, which would only be suitable to sit at that desk if your name was indeed Flat Stanley. Yeah, you certainly can't get your feet underneath there. It's quite useless, really. Let's take a look at those wardrobes. Okay, we've got some spare pillows. Oh, well, I said spare pillows. They're really quite stained. Ugh. You know what, I doubt that anyone's actually used these for a very, very long time. I guess in regards of the stress of the room turnover time, that they don't have time to clean or replace them each day. Maybe it's that. Nevertheless, it's very unsightly, and they do smell quite damp too. Okay, dust test. It's not too bad really. It's quite clean in this area. Alrighty then, looks like we've got some night lights with some handy bendable reading lights included. As well as that, we've got some handy USB charge sockets, the bedside cupboards. Well, looks like they've got some shelves that are missing. That's not surprising with this room. We are supplied with a medium-sized TV, again rather dated and quite bulky, with a Euro style hairdryer, and a standard kettle that looks quite clean though. Although there is water residue in the bottom. Wonder how long that's been left there. Oh yes, we are supplied with a handsome amount of coffee, tea and sugar. And what's quite lovely is I do like my Biscoff biscuits. They're my favourite. We have another USB/power socket. And we have that hotel information card. So because it's quite late now, it's just before 10 PM. Not only is the bar and restaurants completely closed, but the room services are too. And when you do order, you'll be charged a £5 trade charge. Which, to be honest, because everything's closed already, it is a real big bummer. Considering that the pub across the road is also shut too, and that this Birch Hotel is situated away from the local amenities. So if you want any food, you basically gotta order it from a takeaway and get it delivered. Oh, by the way, make sure you bring some crockery with you, as that all-night receptionist is not all-night. Trust me, I tried to get some knife and forks, no one was there. So I guess, in regards to a late night romantic meal, it's completely out of the window. And in my books, looks like I'm in this ship with the missus too. Let's have a feel of the radiators. Yep, they're working. Although we won't need them on, as the weather's quite warm just now. And as we pull back the kids' bedroom 1990s curtains, damn! Those are some grubby looking windows. I thought you're supposed to clean windows with clear water, not with water that's been resting in a sandpit. Looks like we've got dual windows. That must be because there is indeed an A-road right outside the rooms. Okay, the bedding, it's not too bad, it's quite clean. Let's shine a light. Yeah, it is clean. Although if this was a blue light, I'd hate to see what I'd see. But the mattress, yes, nice and comfy, with only a few towels that are provided. Let's go to the bathroom and... Wow, that bathroom door though, that's something else. Okay, so we've got Nice and bright, and initially quite clean looking bathroom. There's a clothing hook to the rear of the door, a decent shower area. Looks like we've got some type of blockage though, as the water when the shower's working, well, it's already rapidly filling up the base. And look, someone's had away with their liquid soap dispenser. That's nice. We've got one single towel provided in this bathroom. Look, there's even a towel holder. Obviously, no hand towel present. We do get a corner wash basin, and we are supplied with 2 soap bars. Ooh, just for me, eh? There's a few plastic cups, as well as some shampoo and conditioner, and a capsule of shower gel. The bin? Yeah, it is empty, thank you. We do get EU shaver sockets. The toilet seat? Nope, it's not floating. We do, however, get a good flush. But hey, what's the point of having that flush, or even thinking of a number 2, if you're not supplied toilet paper for the loo? Well, at least the door locks. 3 minutes later. Yes, I ended up going to the reception. I basically had enough for the room, and the receptionist said, the room shown on the website is not always what you get, depending on how booked up they are. Which I can't help but feel when we did enter this hotel, the car park was almost completely empty. In fact, the bar area was too. But in the end, she ended up giving us another room. Nope, there's no digital keys here in this hotel. We are, however, given what looks like a caretaker's key. And let's make sure that that door locks behind us. For fuck's sake. It can't get any worse. Look at this. Now, we've got a big double wardrobe, or what looks like it's supposed to be. But there's actually no doors on it. Oh, God. It's just a joke. I'm in a weird dream, I swear down. Now, if you come out of the shower, I'll get to the shower in a bit, but if you do manage to have a shower, well, the hairdryer, it won't work. So don't even bother. Don't even bother. Oh, gosh. What's going on? Spare pillows? Nah, I'm not going to use them. You do get 2 hangers, though. Very stingy. Now, at this particular point, my battery did indeed die. I did make the most of the night. I ordered a takeaway and whatever, and we basically resumed recording this morning. Now, this particular room does indeed resemble the room shown on the website. It does have that brick-style rear wall. It's more bright, more breathable, less claustrophobic, with a decent mattress, cozy bedside lights. We do get that same grubby-looking carpet though, with the same supplements as the previous room, like tea, coffee, etc. The kettle, it's a proper cheap one, cheap as chips really. And yes, we get a chair that we actually can sit on. I don't get this. A checkered pillow and matching checkered curtains. Definitely a no-no. We have a much improved Sony TV though on the wall. It can be perfectly placed and positioned. This particular room is overlooking the function room canopy. By the way, they do host weddings and events here too. And I guess they shut the bars and the restaurants quite early to stop any type of disturbances for the guests. As you can see, that's the main road right outside. We do have a few towels supplied, but the crazy thing that we didn't notice is that you can indeed look right into this room, looking in from that spy hole. Ugh, creepy. Pervert alert. As that inner lens is indeed missing. Hence, that's why we stuffed it full of toilet roll. Yes, we actually get some toilet roll in this room. Just one. And not only that, the toilet roll holder is missing too. Looks like we've got a collector. Now, the bathroom. Okay, it looks great, right? Mm-hmm. Well, wrong. Yeah, we might have a floating toilet seat, but don't let that win you over. Because in regards to hot running water and having a nice steamy shower, well, there isn't any. What I mean is, there's no running hot water whatsoever. Both the basin and the shower, well, that hot water has been purposely turned off. Either that, or they have really, really low water pressure issues. So the hope of that steamy hot shower, after, a restless night and stuff like that, well, you will be certainly let down in this room. Oh, we get a soap though. Just for me, it says again. Yeah, it is just for me because we only get one, yet there's 2 people staying in the room. You know what, I really wish I could stuff this entire room in that disposable bag and just flush it. For God's sake. And you know what, do you want to know why there's no hot water? Because if you look around the whole ceiling within the room and within the bathroom, it looks like they've had some damp issues. And that's maybe because there's no extractor fan fitted. There. And do you know what makes it perfect? The door won't lock either. Fantastic. But will the shower door open? First, let me personally fix the bottom of this plinth. Oh my god. And this is just the icing on the cake. The shower door's busted. So we get no proper opening doors, no hot water. It's quite simply the house that Jack built. Our rating for the Birch Hotel stay for one night, we're simply going to rate it 3 out of 10. Certainly not what was advertised. Oh yeah, in regards to any type of trouser press, you don't get them in the room. Oh well, you pay for what you get. But to be honest, I've actually found hotels within this price range a lot better than this, especially with hot running water. But if you want to check some of our future or past videos, please take this time just now to subscribe to this channel. All the support would be very much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. And you know what, just have a look at this hallway here. Look at this. Look at that carpet. Oh, let me just place this on the back of the door. Yeah, this is very much needed. A full renovation really. And in fact, let's hurry up and get the hell out of here before I get charged £25 for late stay.